Hello students, welcome back to Vadavan Middle School online classes or e-learning classes. As COVID-19 coronavirus continues to spread, using online classes, we can slow the spread of the disease. As COVID-19 coronavirus closes more and more schools, affects more and more lives, we have put together an online classes to provide you uninterrupted services. I hope you all are safe from this pandemic situation, maintaining the lockdown. Today, this is your first class of class 10. I am taking the subject, name of the subject is Information Technology, code 402. So first of all, starting the chapter, let me explain first the syllabus. The syllabus is divided into two parts, that is part A and part B. Part A contains employability skills and part B contains vocational skills. Vocational skills also contain web applications, word processing, spreadsheet, digital presentation, that means PowerPoint, email messaging, database development. Today, I will discuss about web applications. So many web applications are there, but today I will discuss about only two things, basic two things. Those are internet and network. We cannot think our life without network. Let me explain about network. What do you mean by network? Network is a set of devices. Network is a set of devices. What is network? Network is a set of devices connected to each other. Network is a set of devices connected to each other and they can send and receive data. So what is network? Network is a set of devices. Network is a set of devices. Now, two or more than two devices you can say also. So what is network? Network is a set of devices connected to each other and they can send and also receive data. Suppose two computers are there. Now this is a computer. Two computers are there or more than two computers are there. Suppose there are two computers are there. This is A and this is B. A computer wants to send some data to B computer and B computer also send data to A computer. So what is networking? Network is a set of devices. Network is a set of devices connected to each other and they can send and receive data. Clear? Okay. Now, using a network or any other connections, we can establish easily one network or more than one network also. So, let me explain types of connection. In networking or networking concept, there are different kinds of connections. Those connections are, first one is point to point connection. Point to point connection. Second one is multi-point connection. Third one is peer-to-peer. And the fourth one is client server. So, first question is, what is network? Network is a set of devices connected to each other and they can send data or receive data. Clear? And the second one Second one is types of connection. There are four types of connections are there. First one is point to point. Second one is multi-point, and the third one peer-to-peer, and the last one is client-server. Clear? And now, what do you mean by point-to-point connection? So, let me explain about point-to-point. Point-to-point means only two computers are there. In point-to-point networking concept or point-to-point connection, only two devices are there. Only two devices are there and they can send data or receive data between them. Clear? And the next one is multi-point. So the second one is multi-point. In this type of connection or in this type of networking connection, multi-point means when more than two computers are connected. When more than two computers are connected. When only two computers are connected, this is called point-to-point. And when more than two computers are connected and they can send data or receive data between them, this is called multi-point. Suppose this is the type of multi-point. Clear? And so first one is point to point and the next one is multi-point. And then third one is peer to peer. Peer to peer. In this type of connection, peer to peer connection, the computers have same capability. The computers have same capability to send data and receive data. Clear everyone? And then the last one. And the last one, the fourth one is client server. Client server. This is also called client server architecture or client server connection. So, in client server connection, there is one client and one server. Suppose I can use one server and multiple clients. This is also called client server. No doubt regarding the topic. And then in client server architecture, server can provide the services. Server can provide the services and the client will access the services, will receive the services. This is called client server. Suppose the example of client server is, suppose I am a server. I will provide you services. I will provide you online class services. That's why I am server. And you are all the clients. You can receive the services or you can access the services. This technology also example of client server architecture. You know? Okay. And the next part is internet. Internet is a thing. You cannot think our life without internet. So, what is internet? Internet is a worldwide connection of the computer networks. It is a worldwide connection of computer networks. Clear? First of all, explaining about internet, I'll show you something. The technology that is invented internet, it was proposed by ARPANET. ARPANET. That is ARPANET. The full form of ARPANET is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Clear everyone? And internet. So, what is network? Network is a set of devices connected to each other and they can send data or receive data. There are basically many kinds of connections are there. I will discuss about 4 types of connections. that is point to point. Next one is multi-point. Third one is peer-to-peer, and the last one is client server. Clear? Okay. And then what is internet? Internet, it is a worldwide connection of the computers. It is a worldwide connection of the computers. So, according to me, it is difficult to define internet. You know, according to me, it is difficult to define internet because nowadays new network are being added. Because why it is difficult to define internet? Because new network are being added and the existing network are adding addresses. That's why it is difficult to define internet. Okay. So today I will discuss about the topic what is internet, what are the types of connections, what is network. Clear? I will explain all the topics related to internet, network, computer related terms, etc. in my next clips. Clear everyone? Till then, stay home, stay safe.